The structure of Chinese characters can be divided into two categories: single component structure and compound structure. The single component structure contains only one component, while the compound structure contains two or more components. For example, the character 人, which means human, is the single component. Likewise, the character 四, which means four, and the character 我, which means I, me, are also single component structures. The compound structure can be further divided into 6 types. The first type is left-right structure, where a character can be divided into two parts, left component and right component. The character 你, which means you, is illustrated here. The second type is called left-middle-right structure, where a character can be divided into 3 parts, left component, middle component, and right component. The character 谢, which means to thank, is illustrated here. The third type is called top-bottom structure, where a character can be divided into 2 parts, the top component and the bottom component. The character 爸, which means dad, can be divided into the top component and the bottom component. The fourth type is top-middle-bottom structure. A character can be divided into 3 parts. The character 高, which means high, can be divided into the top component, middle component, and bottom component. The fifth type is called half-enclosure, which means the structure is enclosed by 2 sides or 3 sides. The structure of the character 店, which means shop, is enclosed by 2 sides. The last type is called enclosure, where a character is enclosed by all the 4 sides. The example word 国, which means country, its structure is enclosed by all the 4 sides.